Today we're going to do a 3-card, 1 layout video. And I'm going to move all this out of the way and I'll show you the layout we're going to use today. This is our layout, our sketch that we're going to use today to make 3 different cards. So I'm going to start off with one that's pretty similar to our sketch. I'm going to move our sketch right over there. I'm going to pull in my little pieces. I've got a piece of the Petals and Pansies regular paper pack cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I've got a top folding A2 card base from Paper Rose Studio. So I'm going to add liquid glue onto this. I'm going to add this to our card front. And then I've cut a piece of that same pattern paper I'm going to add to the inside of my card as a little decoration. So we're going to go ahead and pop that on the inside. I used the stitch circles and cut out a vellum circle and a purple pansy circle. I used the Golden Dream dark brown cardstock and cut out the wonky little fence. And I've got 2 of our little embossed die cuts that we're going to use. So I'm going to actually layer my little fence on to our little circle right here. I'm going to place that where I want it to be. I want this to line up pretty close to the edge. I'm going to flip that over. I will add adhesive on the back of our little fence. So I will take and attach our little fence down to our card front. I'm going to get that over to that side. I'm going to layer my little circle over top of our vellum circle in our fence. Then we've got our little, I also have a sentiment from the sentiment set. I'm going to add this together. Just pop some liquid glue behind there. We'll layer this on to our little shadow layer. And grab a couple foam squares so we can pop up our sentiment. I'm going to peel those backings off. I'm going to pop that right in there. And then we've got our little vase of flowers. I'm going to pop it right here, right behind. Coming right off of that fence. And then I'm going to pop my little teddy on a couple foam squares. And we'll pop her right in there. So there is our first card to use our sketch. That's card number 1. All right, for card number 2, we're going to turn things to the side. I know I like to turn my sketches and get more use out of them. So I've got a standard A2 card base. I've got a piece of the Petals and Pansy basic card paper pack. And I've cut that down to 3 3/4 by 5. I've cut a matte layer from the purple pansy cardstock, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to layer these 2 together. So we'll just layer those right up there, just like that. I've got a piece of our same pattern paper here that I'm going to add to the inside. It's just a little scrap piece. So we're going to add this to the inside of our card. We're just going to leave it on the right-hand side, like so. I'm going to go ahead and attach my card front down, just like so. Now I've got another matte layer that I've just cut a little larger than my little pattern paper here. We're going to layer this pattern paper up onto our little matte layer. And it doesn't matter the sizes. You can adjust these however you want. I adjusted mine a little bit larger than my measurements on my sketch. So I'm going to put this on just like so. All right, I've got a vellum circle that I'm going to use. I've got my sentiment here. I've also got one of my little teddy bears. in her little basket. So I'm going to add the sentiment first. I'm going to pop it up with a couple foam squares. I'm going to kind of put this over off to this side over here. And then we're going to add our little teddy. So I'm just going to glue her coming out behind the sentiment. Then I'll flip this over and I'll add adhesive behind our my embossed die cut so that it's nice and hidden. I'll go ahead and add this down. It will take just a few seconds to grab. I also have cut out the fancy butterfly die set from some of that purple shimmer cardstock. So we're going to have a few, this is going to be my embellishment for this card. So I want to add just a little adhesive. And I'm going to pop this onto around our little circle so that I can kind of help hold that vellum down. And we can still lift up our wings. Add just a couple of dots here to this one. And we're going to pop it over on this side. So there is card number 2 with our sketch. So it's 2 cards. Now for our last card, I am going to, I've got a regular standard A2 card base. I've cut out my pattern paper from using the stitched or nested pierced rectangles. And I've cut a mat layer of the purple cardstock just slightly larger than my pattern paper. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our mat layer. So it's going to be super thin border. And then this is going to get attached to our A2 card base. I've got a piece of our same pattern paper, and this is from the basics that I'm going to add to the inside of my card. So we'll open that up. We'll add our pattern paper to the inside. Now I did cut the Arroyo butterfly out from some Daisy White shimmer cardstock. I cut that out. I have a piece of the purple shimmer cardstock that I have cut longer this time. I've cut it pretty close to the size of our card front, just a little bit over. I have a piece of that pattern paper I've cut down. I believe this is 2 3/4 and this is 1 1.25, I believe is what I cut it at. We're going to put that in the center of this panel. And then I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to trim those little pieces off. I've got the butterfly cut out. I'm going to add liquid glue along the back of this edge. And we're going to center this onto our purple matte layer here. So I have those colors showing through the back. I will take this, add liquid glue behind here. And then we are going to layer this on top of our pattern paper. I've got one of the embossed die cuts that's a circle of florals. And I've got a Thinking of You embossed die cut sentiment from the teddy bears. Those are both actually from the teddy bear set. I'm going to pop my sentiment up. So I'm going to cut a foam square in half. I'll pop this behind here. Now remember, you can go as advanced as you want. I'm keeping these pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and add that sentiment on here just like that. I will flip this over, add liquid glue to the back. And I'm going to take and flip this right there. And that is going to act as my circle and my horizontal line as well. But I also went ahead and flipped. This is going to be my horizontal line as also. So you can do it where you can have them both. So there's our card number 3 from our sketch. Okay, so here is our sketch that was our inspiration. And then we made card number 1 and went a little different than our sketch. We flipped our sketch and then did card number 2. And then we flipped it again and did card number 3. So we can move that out of the way. All right, so here's a look at all 3 cards that we made with the same layout for our 3 cards, 1 layout video. If you like this video, you're probably gonna like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.